This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Headset Go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Headset Go.
सोमवार का दिन है, उसी दिन के साथ हम हफ्ते की शुरुआत करते हैं, एटलीस्ट द वर्किंग वीक, बिकॉज संडे वी टेक द मच डिजर्व्ड ब्रेक, द वीकेंड दैट वी ऑल नीड, दैट वी ऑल वांट टू गो आउट एंड डू समथिंग टू रिजुविनेट एंड रिफ्रेश आवरसेल्व्स. तो शुरुआत जो है वो बधाई देते हुए होती है यहाँ पर, विच इज गो एमएमटी रेडियो पर. एंड टुडे आई एम गिविंग बधाई टू वीरेंद्र शर्मा फ्रॉम द एनालिटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव. वीरेंद्र, वेलकम टू द शो.
Yeah, thank you so much, Annie, for inviting me to the show. It's great connecting with you.
वीरेंद्र, आपको एमएमटी ज्वाइन करे अभी कितने महीने हुए हैं?
I joined MMT on March 20th, so it's going to be 4 months on 20th of July.
और अभी तक का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है आपका?
It's completely unexpected. Like I have gained a lot of experience here, and I have been working in a lot of projects that I wasn't aware of in the starting. Right now, I'm getting much more exposure working with the team.
क्या बात है. तो इससे पहले आप कहाँ थे?
So I was in Yatra in the B2C flights domain.
अच्छा, तो कंपेटिटर के पास ही थे, तो इसीलिए आपको फर्क ज्यादा समझ में आता है.
Absolutely. When you join a bigger organization, then you get to know a lot of things that are being part of the same vertical. So
Gee.
I think that is more likely to be in my favor, that I'm getting a lot more of exposure working here in the team. The department has changed from B2C to corporate, so I'm getting a lot of exposure here.
Hello Trippers, this is Rajesh Mago. While everyone knows that we are celebrating 25 years of Make My Trip, I'm not sure how many of you know that we've also completed 10 years of Make My Trip Foundation. So on this special occasion, we are excited to launch our first ever social hackathon called Hack for Good. From eliminating single-use plastic to designing games for sustainability and building meaningful travel experiences, this is your chance to stretch a bit, think beyond business and build for impact. So let's put our minds together for greater good. Hack for Good is live. Register now. Thank you.
Meet our new joiners who showed us the musical side on radio session.
Hi team, Manoj here from Hotels team and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Hi Go Trippers, Ratish Tripathi from the Hotel team and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Hi team, I'm Utkarsh from Hotel team. You are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Hi team, this is Rohit Nigam and I'll be joining Hotel Cloud team and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Headset Go.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
Headset Go.
बधाई हो है शो का नाम. वीरेंद्र शर्मा मेरे साथ हैं, एनालिटिक्स में हैं, गुड़गांव में बेस्ड हैं. 4 महीने ही हुए हैं बट एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी है इन द ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री. तो बताइए, एनालिटिक्स में आप क्या करते हैं वीरेंद्र?
So my role involves the data and the automation part. Like if you are working in a team and you don't have the data to take proper analytics kind of decisions, so I do prepare that kind of data so that reports are getting reported on the time to each and everyone and to each and every stakeholder so that they can take decision according to their convenience and if the data is readily available. So I think that would play a major role in going with the flow, market flow. Automation part is under my care right now.
Oh, that's lovely. चलिए अब शुरू करते हैं सबसे पहला गेम, जो कि बॉलीवुड क्विज होगा आपके लिए. क्या आप इसके लिए तैयार हैं?
Absolutely.
Which film is based on the life of boxer Mary Kom? फिल्म का नाम बताइए.
It's Mary Kom.
करेक्ट. अच्छा, ये बताइए, रोजा फिल्म का म्यूजिक जो है वो किसने किया था?
A.R. Rahman.
यस, उनका ये डेब्यू था और उसके बाद तो मतलब 4 चांद लग गए थे. वी गॉट अ कंपोजर जिसने बॉलीवुड और इंडियन सिनेमा का जो म्यूजिक लैंडस्केप है चेंज कर दिया था इन्होंने. विच फिल्म मार्क्स द डेब्यू ऑफ आयुष्मान खुराना?
It's Wicked Honor.
करेक्ट. विच इज द मूवी जहां पर ऋतिक रोशन और टाइगर श्रॉफ एक साथ स्क्रीन स्पेस शेयर कर रहे थे फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम?
It was War.
यस, क्या बात है, बॉलीवुड का नॉलेज तो काफी है आपका. मुझे बताइए, द मूवी दैट क्रॉस्ड, द फर्स्ट मूवी इन इंडियन सिनेमा दैट क्रॉस्ड 1000 crore mark, which one was it?
From Bollywood, it's Dangal.
Yes, it is. In fact, globally 2000 crores क्रॉस कर चुका था दंगल, एंड उसके बाद बाहुबली 2 the conclusion is the one that crossed 1000 crores. That's amazing. Which actress starred as Pooh in कभी खुशी कभी गम?
It's Kareena Kapoor.
Which movie is about a man who cannot feel pain? मतलब नाम में ही वो है. आपको क्लू दे सकती हूँ, भाग्यश्री के बेटे का ये डेब्यू था और ये OTT फिल्म थी.
I'm not sure about that.
मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता. And the last film and the last question, who played the female lead in Pathaan?
It's Deepika Padukone.
That's correct. मुझे बताइए, ट्रैवल आपको खुद को कितना पसंद है? कितना ट्रैवल करते हो आप?
वैसे तो मोस्टली जो ट्रिप्स होती है वो दोस्तों के साथ होती है, तो डिपेंडिंग ऑन कि दोस्तों का कब टाइम फ्री होता है, सो वंस इन ए क्वार्टर एक ट्रिप तो डेफिनेटली हम प्लान करते हैं, सो दैट we can be all along during that trip and we can share our experience as well.
तो पिछले 2 साल में 2 ऐसे ट्रिप बताइए जो सबसे अच्छी रही.
So last 2 साल में we had been to Spiti Valley.
Wow.
Second was Ladakh. That was a road trip.
क्या बात है. कितने दिन लगाकर गए थे आप लद्दाख?
For Ladakh it took us around 8 to 10 days.
Nice.
From Delhi to Ladakh and the return trip also. And for Spiti, क्योंकि जो स्पीति है जो साल में शायद 2-3 मंथ के लिए ओपन होता है, तो वहाँ बाइक ट्रिप थोड़ा रिस्की था, सो दैट वाज समवेयर अराउंड 6 to 7 days. क्या
बात है, बहुत अच्छा रहा होगा. मैंने तो सुना है लद्दाख जाते जाते इतने सारे अलग अलग रंग के आपको माउंटेन्स दिखते हैं कि बहुत खूबसूरत है.
Not only mountains, you get to see wildlife species as well, like snakes and all. वो भी काफी एक एक्सपीरियंस रहता है.
क्या बात है.
Hello trippers, hope everybody is keeping great health and spirits. This is for very, very special reason, you know. I think every day we come together to solve challenges, build great products and deliver joy to millions of our travelers through our various products. And now, but we have an opportunity to do something just as meaningful for the world around us. And I'm sure that all of us would really love to be a part of this initiative, what is being launched by Make My Trip Foundation. I think as we turn 10 years on 17th of July 2025, team is launching Hack for Good, our first ever social hackathon. It's our chance to really collaborate across teams, bring ideas to life, to promote sustainability, inclusion and responsible tourism. Idea here is that people from tech, product or any other functions, finance, HR, supply, you name a function, people should form a small little team and look at the themes what is being launched by the organizing committee and figure out a solution on those topics. It will be very, very interesting exercise, and I am sure that all of you will feel extremely good, happy and content after really being part of it. I think from themes like from reducing plastic waste to gamifying eco-friendly behavior, please use your creativity to drive real type of an impact, and I am sure that when purpose meets people, great things happen. Hack for Good is live. Please register now. And if you have any issues, reach out to Anisha Nerula or Hemant Shokin in CSR department. Thank you.
Attention trippers.
जादू मेरी नजर.
नजर से याद आया, उसमें नजर भी कवर्ड है. नजर बोले तो विजन हेल्थ केयर ऑन अलाइव हेल्थ ऐप. जाके डाउनलोड करना यार, जल्दी जा.
Download the Alive Health app and start making the most of it now.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, गो ट्रिपर हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
बधाई हो है शो का नाम, और आप सुन रहे हैं गो MMT रेडियो विथ मी योर होस्ट एनी. मेरे साथ आज हैं वीरेंद्र शर्मा जी, जिन्हें हुए हैं मुझे लगता है सिर्फ 4 महीने, हैविंग जॉइंड MMT एनालिटिक्स में हैं, बेस्ड आउट ऑफ गुड़गांव. अब इमर्शन और इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम जो होता है यहाँ पर MMT में, उसके बारे में सबसे मैंने सिर्फ पॉजिटिव बातें सुनी हैं. आपका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
मेरा भी पॉजिटिव एक्सपीरियंस ही रहा है. First starting with the induction program, so everyone including the HR and HRBP सबने comfortably feel कराया first of all, and then जो भी required जो details थी वो without any hesitation, without any वो time to time वो बताते गए कि कहाँ ये चीज आपको सबमिट करनी है, and this is the process that we'll be going through in the entire process. And if I talk about the immersion program, so I get to know business ideology from each and every vertical, each and every person from the company has answered our questions very deliberately, and the overall experience was in such a way that we get to know the company में exactly हो क्या रहा है, so that once we are a part of the team in the long run, so we can identify हमें किस direction में move करना है या this is the ideology that the team going on with.
Oh, that's nice.
This July, the Make My Trip Foundation turns 10. And to celebrate this incredible milestone with all our fellow trippers, we're launching something special, something purposeful. Hack for Good, our very own social hackathon, designed to inspire innovative solutions that drive sustainable and responsible tourism. Think less spreadsheets, more impact. Think less business as usual, more build for change. Form a team of 2 to 5 members and get the ball rolling. Pro tip: cross-functional teams are highly encouraged. Select any one of the challenges shared by the foundation team. These challenges are on volunteerism, design social media for impact, building sustainable plastic-free destinations, and gamifying sustainability. Check your inbox for the Hack for Good mailers from Make My Trip Foundation to get all the details of the hackathon and register now. Let's build something that lasts longer than a trip. Let's hack for good.
Hi, this is Sanjay Mohan and you're listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
क्या हुआ है? बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
रेडियो पर बधाई हो शो का नाम है. इसी शो के साथ हम हफ्ते की शुरुआत करते हैं. इट हैपेंस एवरी मंडे. वेल, दिस इज द लास्ट सेगमेंट ऑफ द शो. वीरेंद्र शर्मा जी आज मेरे साथ हैं. एनालिटिक्स में से हैं और गुड़गांव में बेस्ड हैं. तो दिस लास्ट गेम इज कॉल्ड रॉन्ग आंसर्स ओनली. आर यू रेडी फॉर दिस?
Absolutely.
Okay.
The rapid fire round.
What do you use to brush your teeth?
Pen.
Okay. What is the opposite of hot?
It's neutral.
What sound does a dog make?
It's cow.
Okay. What is the earth shaped like?
It's rectangle.
Rectangle, क्या बात है. How many fingers do we have?
It's 20.
20 fingers. बात ही कुछ अलग हो जाती ना. Where do we keep food cold?
I would say it's terrace.
What do we sleep on at night?
I would go with wires.
Wires, क्या बात है. How do you make tea?
So first we'll go with water and then we'll add beer in that and we'll shake it up very well and then we'll add some kind of sugar and the tea is ready.
Okay. What happens when it rains?
सड़कें सूख जाती हैं.
What do you see in a mirror?
The competitor.
All right, with that we've come to the end of wrong answers only, and you've done your best. I hope you enjoyed your time on the show also, Virendra.
Yeah, certainly. It was great connecting with you.
You know, all the very best to you, Virendra. आप बड़े ख्वाब लेकर यहाँ पर आए हैं. So here's wishing you that everything comes true. You're able to work hard towards it. Stay committed and stay focused. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Virendra.
Hey trippers, big news, your favorite walkathon is back. Introducing My Miles, 3 lakh steps, 30 days, 1 tribe, starting August 1st. Whether you're a power walker, a slow stroller, or someone who clocks steps while binge watching, this one's for you. Just get your crew together, sign up and get moving. So why wait? Let's get those steps counted. Let's walk, let's talk, let's own our stride. Ready to hashtag own your stride with hashtag MyMiles? Hit that register button now.
Hello everyone, this is Leander Pace and you are listening to Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
To listen to your favorite Go MMT radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.
Go MMT Radio. Head, set, go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IB Bo and Redbus.